Hello everybody, welcome back to Destination X. Recently AUXITO reached out to me via YouTube comments, I think, or Gmail, and they asked me if I'd be willing to do a little review video, install video for them if they were to send me some of their products. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. As you can see, I have their new LEDs in here on my 2007 Nissan Xterra. They sent me their 9007 HP5s, which is what I was already rocking, but I had just a bit of an upgraded halogen version in here, and now obviously got LEDs. So they're looking great, a lot brighter. It's daylight right now, it's still bright in the garage here, so yeah, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, show a little install, very simple install, do that, and then do a little review when it's nighttime. Check them out, the difference. So yeah, AUXITO. Basically, I have not even opened these yet, so just gonna do a full unboxing and everything for AUXITO, but I went with the 9007, the HP5s, because they fit my Nissan Xterra. So, let's see what's in the box. So you just quickly take a look at the specs gonna be running here. Anyways, the LEDs are gonna be white instead of my gold and yellow right now. Hopefully they make the vehicle look a little more modern and more importantly, just brighter on the roads at nighttime when I'm driving, so I don't hit a deer. So first off here, you got some gloves for when you're handling your bulbs. Guessing that's for either just to make sure you don't get like fingerprints, everything, to kind of ruin the picture of the bulb, I don't know, or actually I think it's more for oil. There's something about if you get oil on a light bulb, it like causes it to die prematurely, like it ruins the bulb somehow. I'm not 100% sure on that. And then you got your instruction manual, no need, very simple install. Then we have the actual bulbs themselves. These, of course, I'm switching up to LEDs. The whole time I've had my Xterra, I've been rocking old halogens, and you know, it's about time probably switch to LEDs. If the company wants to send me these, then I'll do it for free, sure. As you can see, a couple little LED strips on either side. You got your rubber seal. This is all, the whole housing is made out of aluminum, which is kind of cool. And then what I'm actually most interested in seeing how long it works and everything is the little fan in here. So there's supposed to be like a tiny little fan within here that when the lights are running, it's cooling down the lights and everything, cooling down the whole system. So that's kind of cool. Doing this in daylight and in a lit garage, so won't be the best judge of the lights, but this is what I have currently. Just a little bit of upgraded halogen from Canadian Tire, and then let's get the LEDs and compare them. It's honestly going to be one of the easiest installs ever, but basically on your Xterra you just have this little dust cover that you twist off first, and then it's just a clip, and out comes the old bulb. And then after that, once you get the old bulb out, simple, just click in, twist, just reverse what you did before, and you got it in. This comparison side by side. Halogen, new AUXITO LED. The only problem is that I thought I had some polishing stuff for my headlights, but I can't seem to find that. So that would be a better review. But anyways, this is what we're getting with dirty, scratched up headlights right now. Definitely a lot brighter. May not show as much on camera, but pretty bright. And also, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can kind of hear the fan in there. So now I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the passenger side. Thought my headlights were doing pretty good, but I don't know if the camera fully picks it up, but there's some darkness on the inside of my passenger side bulb, so maybe it was about to go on me anyway, so good thing I'm replacing them and upgrading them. Even though I said it's going to be hard to tell the results and like give an actual review during the daytime right now, it may not be because it's actually fairly bright, even being in a lit garage and having that all over there. But I'll do a video at night and see what it looks like, just to comfort and everything. Anyways, those are the AUXITO LED headlight bulbs for my 07 Nissan Xterra. I got the 9007 HP5s. So far they're looking good. Thank you, AUXITO, if that's pronounced correctly. And then there it is, nighttime. You can hear the fans going. Can't really get a good view here, but I'll show a video just after this of driving on the highway. Definitely a lot brighter than the halogens I had. High beams, low beams, maybe possibly too bright because I think I had some cars flashing me along the highway. Might be spreading a little too much on the sides and blinding others, but other than that, obviously great and way better than halogens. So yeah, AUXITO LEDs.